I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on GoDaddy. First, you'll need to choose a memorable domain name that truly represents your brand or personal project. Next, select a hosting plan that fits your website's expected traffic and storage needs. GoDaddy offers various user-friendly tools, like their website builder, to help you get started quickly and efficiently. These initial steps are crucial for laying a strong foundation for your online presence. Once your domain and hosting are set, it's time to build. You can opt for the GoDaddy website builder, which provides a simple drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners. Alternatively, for more advanced customization and features, consider installing WordPress through GoDaddy. Both options allow you to create a professional-looking site with relative ease, giving you control over your online presence. With your site structure in place, focus on compelling content and design. Add engaging text and high-quality images that resonate with your audience. Customize your chosen template to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic and message. Crucially, ensure your website is fully mobile responsive, providing an optimal viewing experience across all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Before going live, thoroughly preview your entire website to catch any errors or inconsistencies. Once satisfied, publish it for the world to see. Remember, a website requires ongoing care. Regularly update your content and any installed software for security and optimal performance. Finally, monitor your website's traffic and user engagement to understand what works best and make informed improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.